Most people think fatigue, bloating, and stiff joints are just part of getting older. But what if I told you that's not the truth? The real problem could be that your body is slowly turning acidic, and it's silently draining your energy, weakening your immune system, and speeding up aging without you even realizing it. But here's the good news. Nature has already given us the solution. In today's video, I'll share the top 20 alkaline foods straight from Dr. Sebi's playbook that can help reset your body, restore your energy, and make you feel years younger. And if you stay until the end, I'll reveal a secret superfood, one most people have never even heard of, that works like a health rocket for your body. So if you're ready to stop just coping with low energy and start thriving again, stay with me. This might be the simplest step you'll ever take for your health. Dr. Sebi wasn't your typical health guru. He was a visionary herbalist who helped thousands heal naturally. His big idea: disease loves an acidic body, and mucus is its sneaky sidekick, clogging up your system from processed foods, dairy, and meat. Alkaline foods, on the other hand, are like a power wash for your insides. I tested this for 30 days, swapping burgers for quinoa bowls and soda for spring water. The result? My skin glowed, my joints loosened up, and I had energy to chase my grandkids without gasping for air. Sebi's rules are simple. Stick to non-GMO, plant-based foods, drink a gallon of spring water daily, and skip microwaves to keep nutrients alive. I'm not saying it's easy to ditch pizza, but once you feel the difference, you won't look back. Ready for the foods that'll make you feel unstoppable? Let's unpack the top 20. 1. Kale. It is the king of greens, bursting with vitamins A, C, and K to supercharge your immune system. It's like a detox party for your cells. I blend a handful into my morning smoothie with mango. Tastes like a tropical vacation and keeps my gut happy. Sauté it with garlic and olive oil for a side that'll steal the show. Pro tip: massage the leaves with lemon juice to soften them up. 2. Avocado. These are creamy gold, packed with heart-healthy fats and potassium. They're like nature's butter, but better. I mash them on spelt toast with a sprinkle of sea salt for breakfast. Keeps me full till lunch. They also stabilize blood sugar, which stopped my mid-afternoon crashes. Slice them into salads for a creamy kick. 3. Zucchini. It is a low-calorie, water-rich veggie that hydrates and alkalizes. I spiralize it into zoodles for a pasta swap that doesn't leave me bloated. Toss with olive oil and herbs for a 10-minute dinner. It's also loaded with vitamin C for glowing skin. I noticed my complexion brighten in a week. 4. Bell peppers. Red, yellow, green. Bell peppers are crunchy, colorful, and loaded with antioxidants to fight inflammation. I roast them with olive oil until they're caramelized, sweet and smoky perfection. They're also great raw in salads for a vitamin C boost. My joint pain eased up after adding these daily. 5. Cucumbers. These are 95% water, making them a hydration hero. They flush toxins and keep your skin radiant. I slice them into my spring water with mint for a spa-like drink, or blend them into a cooling smoothie. After a week, my puffiness was gone, and I felt refreshed. 6. Okra is a southern gem, rich in fiber and magnesium for smooth digestion. I roast it with cayenne and sea salt for a crispy snack. Way better than chips. It's also a blood sugar stabilizer, which helped me avoid those energy dips. Add it to soups for a hearty texture. 7. Mushrooms. Except shiitake, cremini, portobello, you name it. Mushrooms are immune-boosting and low-calorie. I sauté them with onions and thyme for a savory side that feels indulgent. They're packed with B vitamins, which gave my energy a noticeable lift. Try them in stir-fries for extra umami. 8. Apples. I pair a sliced apple with walnuts for a snack that curbs cravings. They're also high in quercetin, an antioxidant that fights inflammation. My digestion improved within days of eating one daily. 9. Bananas. They are potassium-packed for heart health and muscle recovery. I toss them into smoothies with berries for a creamy, sweet treat. They're also a natural energy booster, perfect before a walk. I noticed less muscle soreness after adding them to my routine. 10. Berries, except cranberries. Blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries are antioxidant superstars, low in sugar but high in flavor. I sprinkle them on spelt porridge or eat them fresh for a burst of sweetness. They're anti-inflammatory, and my achy joints thanked me after a week. 11. Mangoes. These are tropical delights, loaded with vitamin C and enzymes for digestion. I dice them into quinoa salads or blend them into smoothies for a sunny vibe. They also support immunity. My colds became less frequent after eating these regularly. 12. Plums. Plums are juicy, vitamin-packed, and great for gut health. I eat them fresh or as prunes to keep things moving. They're also rich in antioxidants which help my skin look brighter. Try them in smoothies for a sweet tart twist. 13. Quinoa. A protein-packed, gluten-free grain that's a staple in my kitchen. I make bowls with roasted veggies and avocado, filling and delicious. It's high in magnesium, which eased my muscle cramps. Cook a big batch for quick meals all week. 14. Spelt. It is an ancient grain that's easier to digest than wheat. I make fluffy spelt pancakes or use spelt flour for baking. It's nutrient-dense and keeps my blood sugar steady. No more energy crashes. Try spelt pasta for a hearty dinner. 15. Wild rice. Wild rice is chewy, nutty, and loaded with minerals like zinc for bone health. I mix it with roasted zucchini and peppers for a colourful bowl. It's filling but light, and my energy stayed steady all day. Perfect for seniors wanting strong bones. 16. Hemp seeds. These seeds are tiny powerhouses, with 10 grams of protein per ounce. I sprinkle them on salads or blend them into smoothies for a nutty boost. They're also rich in omega-3s, which helped my brain fog clear up. A little goes a long way. 17. Walnuts. Walnuts are brain food, packed with omega-3s and antioxidants. I toss them into salads or snack on a handful for focus and energy. They also reduced my joint stiffness after a few weeks. Pair them with fruit for a balanced snack. 18. Brazil nuts. These nuts are a selenium goldmine supporting thyroid health and immunity. I eat just 1 or 2 daily to avoid overdoing it. They're that potent. My energy and mood stabilized after adding these. Chop them into oatmeal for a crunchy twist. 19. Olive oil. Olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that's Dr. Sebi approved. I drizzle it over salads or use it for low-heat cooking to keep its nutrients intact. It's anti-inflammatory, and my cholesterol levels improved after switching from butter. Use extra virgin for max benefits. 20. Sea moss. Here's the secret superfood I promised. Sea moss is a mineral-packed seaweed with 92 of the 102 minerals your body craves, like iodine, calcium, and magnesium. I blend it into smoothies or make a gel for soups. It's a thyroid booster, skin glow up, and energy igniter all in one. I started using it 3 months ago, and my stamina, skin, and even hair improved. Find wildcrafted sea moss online or at health stores and start with a teaspoon daily. Trust me, this one's a game changer. I know what you're thinking. This sounds awesome, but how do I actually make this work? I was there too, worried I'd miss my comfort foods or spend hours cooking. But here's the truth, alkaline eating is simple and delicious once you get the hang of it. Here's how I did it. Start with 1 meal a day. My go-to is a breakfast smoothie. Blend kale, bananas, blueberries, and a teaspoon of sea moss gel with spring water. It takes 5 minutes and tastes like a dessert. For lunch, I make a quinoa bowl with roasted zucchini, bell peppers, and avocado. Prep it on Sunday for grab-and-go meals. Snacks? Keep apples, walnuts, or mango slices handy. I also swapped soda for cucumber-infused water. My hydration game's never been stronger. Don't stress about perfection. Even Dr. Sebi said to ease in. I started with 3 foods, kale, quinoa, and avocados, and built from there. Within a week, my bloating was gone, my joints felt looser, and I had energy to spare. Eating out? Order a salad with olive oil dressing and skip creamy sauces. And don't forget that gallon of spring water daily. It's like hitting the reset button on your body. By the way, if you want to dive deeper into Dr. Sebi's teachings, I just made a video about a banned herb he recommended that's said to cure almost everything. You can check it out here or in the description. Trust me, you don't want to miss this one. What's that one alkaline food you're adding to your day? Share it in the comments. I'm rooting for you. Here's the heart of it all. Dr. Sebi's alkaline foods aren't just about eating, they're about living. These 20 foods, from kale to sea moss, are your ticket to less pain, more energy, and a body that feels vibrant at any age. I've felt it myself. Gone are the days of sluggish mornings and achy evenings. My skin's clearer, my gut's happier, and I'm living proof that small changes make a massive difference.